Hello, my name is Austin Piazza. I'm a demonstration teacher for high school history. This is part two of my series on how to link an Illuminate test onto Google Classroom. So part one showed us how to create an online assessment on Illuminate. So after you have done that and after you already have your access code down here, now all you would need to do is to link the assessment onto Google Classroom. So you could go on to classes. Once you go on there, you're going to hit one of the classes that you want to share this test with. If you go on to the classwork button up here, it will take you to a view that's a little bit easier to read, in my opinion. Once you hit the create button, it's going to ask you a series of things that you could want to create. I'm going to want to create an assignment. You can also do a material. So I'm going to go ahead and do an assignment. I'm going to call it World War I pre-test. And then I'm going to add a link. So you're going to add a link to it that will take students onto a portal. So you're going to go ahead and hit www.tinyurl.com/illuminate test portal. You hit add link and it will populate there. So just so that you can see what this screen will look like, I'm going to show it to you. Okay, this is the screen that students will end up seeing. So here the students will add their login information, which is their student ID. So you're going to have students populate their student ID onto this field, and then with the access code is the code that you created on Illuminate. So once you go back to Illuminate, you can see the access code. Again, you don't need to create a new access code for every single one of your course alikes. Illuminate will automatically sort them for you. So you just have to have that one access code. So once you have that one access code, the students would put that access code in the field here. So just to go back so I can make sure to copy this, I would go back and copy the access code information, go to my classroom, and as part of the instructions, I would say, please use the link below to take you to the portal to take the pre-assessment. Use your student ID for the login and use code paste, because that's the access code that you drew from, to take the assessment. Okay. So once you go ahead and do that, over here you can choose which classes that you want to take it from. So my first, second, and fourth period are the same test. I want to take the same test, so I would choose all three of those, and all students would take it. I could change it to the amount of points that I wanted to. So I'm going to add 9. You can change the due date to whatever date that you want, and you could assign it to any topic that you want. So I would assign it to week 1 and 2's topic. And then you would hit assign, and then it would go to all of the students on your roster. And they could be able to take the test digitally. So that's how you link an Illuminate assessment onto Google Classroom. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.